Okay, now that the action is removed, we can work on removing the wood pieces from the frame. Let's start with the buttstock. All you have to do is remove this back screw here. Or the tang, as they like to call it. It goes, and the stock will release. Now it is a little tight here, so take a little bit of force. It's good you can tap it out, or just pull it apart to separate it. To remove the fore-end wood, again, just 2 screws. Now this back screw is longer than the front screw. There's the length difference. It's a quarter inch, maybe less. Yeah, and then they do sit in this notch in the frame, so when putting it back, you gotta put the notch in first, then down. This is the left. That's right. You can see I already labeled it as right in the previous removal, just to remember. And of course, this thing is just full of packing grease it came in. It's called Cosmoline. So it's just everywhere in the wood and stuff, so give it a nice good cleanup if possible. And that's it for the wood. Next I'll cover how to remove this mag tube.